I've lost over 135 to 142 pounds depending on the day, and I just can't get my mind into keeping a regular exercise routine. I do well with my food, but I make lots of excuses and reasons why I can't go to the gym or walk, but really just don't want to do it. I do walk a few times a week, but that's about it. I really want this maintenance part of my journey to be about getting stronger and firming up. I also have back issues that I know would be less if I had better ab muscles. I hope it will also give me more energy. Thanks, Heather. So what we want to talk about for a second here is, again, going back to your why. So why, right from here, I'm gathering, is because of the back issues, better ab muscles, and more energy, right? So these are all the things. So those are great concepts. Those are great thoughts. But how does that really impact you on a day-to-day? Like when you say, I want to have less back issues and better ab muscles and more energy, why? Why do you need those things? Why do you want? Where is the discomfort happening? Where is the problem happening? So you've done something amazing. You've lost this amazing amount of weight. You're in a great place, right? And if you just want to manage your calories, you'll stay there. So the question becomes, what is it you do above, like what is it that's going on in your life that you need a stronger back, that you want to have less pain, that you want to feel more energy? So maybe it's playing with the kids. Maybe it's you do some kind of physical work around the house and you're in pain. Like literally make these things very real for you. See, for me, the standing up and going to weigh in today to ride the ride with my kid, that was one of my huge whys. I wanted to never have to worry that I would get rejected from being on a ride with my kid. Never wanted to feel that embarrassment with him in public when they asked me to go on a ride. That felt I feel that internally. But if I had just said, well, I might want to ride an amusement park ride, well, that's very general. And what if I never go to an amusement park? Like I needed to see the visual in my head. Why was I so pushed to do it? Because I'm picturing myself standing there with my kid in front of this guy who works at an amusement park ride and him saying, sorry, ma'am, you can't go on this ride. You don't meet our weight requirements. Okay, that moment was singed into my head. I had a very deep, guttural reason why. Yes, I like amusement park rides. Yes, I like going to those kinds of things. But that wasn't enough. I needed something that really gave me a good punch in the gut if I didn't do it. You see what I'm saying? So for you, I would say now that you've lost all this weight, and now that you know you have this goal of wanting to get stronger, the better question is why? Just saying you want to be stronger, just saying you want to have less pain, well, there must be something that's attached to. There's a tangible reality there. That's the thing we need to dive into. What is the tangible reality that those things impact and make a problem for you that you want to fight against this? The second thing is start with the smallest dose possible. Literally, what you might want to do is do one little exercise per day. Maybe one push-up off of a wall. Maybe one lunge. We have one community member, she's awesome. She's posting these videos. She drives a truck. That's what she does. She's a truck driver. She's working out in truck stop bathrooms. She's working out in the cab of her truck. She's getting it in where she can, little workouts here and there. So maybe for you, like take it down even multiple steps less. What if you just did one push-up on Monday? What if you did one lunge on Tuesday? What if you did one air squat on Wednesday? Start there, build off of it, and figure out what it is you're willing to do, right? Like how far are you willing to take this? Are you willing to do 5-minute workouts every single day? Then great, do that. See how strong you can get with it. But first you got to have the deep guttural why, not a generality, right? Something that you, as you visualize it, if it was in a movie, you'd probably be crying. You'd be like, oh my gosh, I don't want to feel that anymore. Or I don't want that to happen to me. Like I don't want to be in that moment. You've got to feel that kind of a connection to it. And it doesn't have to be one why. It could be tons of small things. Maybe every time you bend down to tie your shoes, you feel this twinge in your back and you're like, man, I just want to be able to tie my shoes without the pain. Like, I just want to feel good, right? So those are the moments we're talking about. And then literally start with just one small exercise.